Fans, just to let you know, we're talking about Bonfire Night and Black Friday today, and also we're going to talk about Christmas lights switch on, and um we're going to talk about Christmas movies that have come on TV now as well. So we've already started with they've already started with Christmas movies because, as you notice, Christmas stuff has come into Home Bargains and B&M already. B&Q will be getting Christmas stuff in as well soon, so we're talking about that close time. Anyway, going on to the information about Birmingham West Bromwich Christmas light switch on. Now we're going to talk about that close to the time, probably in October. Or November. We'll talk about it probably October or November. I'll have to see. Because the Christmas light switch on is on the 25th of November. So we'll talk a bit more about that closer to we'll talk a bit more about that closer to October, sometime next month. I don't know what day we'll do that, but we'll do it on next month and that. We'll talk a bit more about the 16th of December because I had any information yet about that. Now today we're talking about Black Friday, right? Black Friday. We're talking about Black Friday. Because the date of the Black Friday. I'm gonna just remember. Now, Black Friday this year will start on the 24th of November 2023. So Black Friday is like where people go out and buy stuff, and that, as you notice, that is going on this year. So Black Friday is on the 24th of November. So make sure you put that on your calendars for the 24th of November. It will be long anyway because you've only got October left now after this month, so you've got still this month left at the moment. Like I've said, on the 24th we're going to talk about the game, or probably on the 23rd, I don't know yet, we'll probably see how that goes. Either on the 23rd or the 24th we have talking about EA Sports FC. As you notice, there is some videos of EA Sports FC. I was watching a video just to see what it was like for the for when it comes out, because it comes out on PS5, PS4, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. But we're going to talk a bit more about that close to the time. As you notice, calendars has come out as well, ready for next year. So calendars will be out now. Calendars are out now. Some of them, I think. But we are going to talk about calendars in October as well. So we're going to talk about calendars on the finger. On the 30th, as well as next week, we're talking next week about Christmas lights, probably Christmas lights and that. Now, we are doing an Apple event this year. We are talking about Apple events, sorry, because we're talking about different stuff about what's coming up for Christmas and that. Because we need to know what's going to happen. And now, on the 30th of September, which is this month, we're going to be talking about Christmas lights and that, right? Now, October, if I get information next week about what's going to happen in West Bromwich, I'll probably let you know next week or the week after. I don't know yet. I'll have to see. But what I might do is, if I can't do it in this month, then I'll do it in October. But we might talk about it in October because I want to talk about B&M having Christmas decorations, right? Now, Argos, you can pre-order lights, you can pre-order Christmas trees, and then hopefully it should get to you on within 7 days and that. So, yeah. Now, going to bonfire night, so we've talked about Black Friday and Christmas lights switch on, but we're going to talk about the Christmas lights switch on soon. Bonfire night this year is in Himley Hall Park, and which is happening in Dudley. But first, we're going to talk about firework event, which is happening in Samwell. Fireworks evening 2023, which is happening on the 4th. I think it's on the 4th. Yep, the event is happening on the 4th of November 2023. Live entertainment, music, food, licensed bar and fun fair. And book now for early bird. The biggest fireworks celebration for miles around. Join us for Samwell Fireworks 2023. This event sells out, so book now and save money. So super early discounts are available until September 30th. Because it is going to be bonfire night soon anyway. I think it's on Sunday the 6th or the 5th. Probably the 6th, I think. So it will happen on the 6th. Hang on, so it's on the 4th. Yeah, so it's happening on the 5th of November, so yeah. The amazing display will be graphic to music, celebrating the best of music from around the world. Don't miss our terrific main stage entertainment featuring a range of impressive artists and performance. The event is open from 5 p.m. until 9 p.m. and parking is available by purchasing a pre-booked parking ticket along with your event ticket or by using town centre car parks. Ticket prices, super early discount available to for September 30th, 2023, limited numbers. Adult, £9. Child concession, £7. Child under 2, £0. Family 2 plus 3, £28.50. Family 2 plus 2, £25. Family 1 plus 2, £16. Care accommodate one person with a registered disabled, £0. VIP Monaco Zone Access Adult, £17. VIP Monaco Zone Access Child Concession, £12. Valley Prepaid Parking, £5. And then it says early bird discount available until October 16th, 2023. Adult £10.50, child concession £8.5, £8.5. Child under two £0. Family 2 to 3 £33.75. £8 and 5 pence. Family, sorry, that was for child concession, right? Family 2 plus 2, £29.50. Family 1 point plus 2, £19. Carer accompany one person with a registered disabled, £1. VIP Monaco Zone Access Adult, £18. VIP Monaco Zone Access Child Concession, £13. Valley Prepaid Book prepaid parking, £6. Late comers price from October 17, 2023. Adult £11, child concession £13. Child under 2, £0. Family 2 plus 3, £40 and 75 pence. Family 2 plus 2, £35.50. Family 1 plus 2, £23. Carer accommodated one person with a register disabled disability, £3. VIP Monaco Zone Access Adult, £20. VIP Monaco Zone Access Child Concession, £15. Valley Prepaid Parking, £8. So it is the price if you wanna if you wanna go onto their website about the fireworks display. I am giving you the information now, which is www.visitsamwell.com. So you just go on their webpage and it tells you about how much you can book now. You've got the book now on there. Play by night. Friday the 3rd of November, Dartmouth Park, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Splash pad, fun, games, music, fair, food, drink, and tasty treats. Special VIP guests to be announced. Now, the same with this. Playground by Night 2023. Children celebrating soon to be announced. Join our stage stars for an evening of family fun and entertainment at our Play by Night at Dartmouth Park, West Bromwich, on Friday the 3rd of November 2023. So like I said, this is www.visitsamwell.com again. We will be lighting our playground in multicoloured for the unique experience of Play by Night, including the splash pad. We will have a full stage program of music and sing-along fun and party games, as well as a whole host of entertainment games and opportunities to play in the dark. Not to mention nighttime funfair rides. There will also be a large range of food and drink stores serving ice cream, hot food from around the world, candy floss, pizza, and more, as well as a licensed bar. The event is open from 5 p.m. until 9 p.m. and parking is available by purchasing a pre-booked parking ticket along with your event ticket or by using town centre car parks. Now, the tickets for super early discount available to September 30th, limited numbers. £4 for adult. Child concession, £3. Child under 2, £0. Family 2 plus 3, £12.50. Family 2 plus 2, £11. Family 1 plus 2, £7. Carer accommodated, one person with a registered disability, £0. Samwell Valley prepaid parking available in advance only, £5. Early bird discount available until October 16, 2023. Adult £5. Child concession £4. Child under 2, £0. Family 2 plus 3, £16. Family 2 plus 4, £14. Family 1 plus 2, £9. Excuse me. Hang on, let me have a drink. Sorry. Carer accommodating one person with a registered disability, £1. Samwell Valley prepaid parking £6, available in advance only. Latecomers tickets available from 17th of October 2023. £7. Adult £10. Child concession £6. Child under 2, £0. Family 2 plus 3, £23. Family 2 plus 2, £20. Family 1 plus 2, £13. Carer accommodated one person with a registered disability, £3. Samwell Valley prepaid parking £8, available in advance only. So yeah, and then so that's www.visitsamwell.com. For Himley Hall Bonfire Night, which is in Dudley, Himley bonfire and fireworks Saturday, 4th of November, 2023. In a occasion with Whitaker Bros Limited. Join us for this year's Himley bonfire and fireworks. A Night at the Movies 2023 is 100 years since the Hollywood sign was first decorated in Tinseltown. Enjoy a stunning firework display set to your favourite Hollywood movie soundtracks. The evening will include large bonfire, 30 minutes firework display, Heart presenters Ed and Gemma, giant funfair, live entertainment, night market, food and beverages. Excuse me. Large screens bringing the theme to life. Premiere viewing area must be pre-booked. Booked Brooks Bistro pop-up restaurant at the hall must be pre-booked. Menu details. Free shuttle buses from Diamond and National Express across the broad. See friend and ask questions for pickups. Standard buy tickets. Standard ticket types. Family ticket included 2 adults and 2 children. Senior 65. Adult 16 plus. Senior 65 plus. Adult 16 plus. Child 5 to 15 years. Under 5s. Premier viewing buy tickets. Premier viewing ticket types. Family ticket includes 2 adults and 2 children. Senior 65 plus, adult 16 plus, child 5 to 15 years, under 5s. Street entertainers. Hang on, let me just get a t-shirt. Sorry about this, I've got the sniffles today. I think I've got hay fever. Oh yeah, I think I've got hay fever. Sorry about this. Yeah. Refreshment stores, pop-up alcoholic drinks vendors, premier viewing area only. Elevated view across the lake for firework display, view of large 25 meter screen. VIP all access buy tickets. VIP all access tickets include access to the hall, including 2 rooms with seating, access to the hard standing area on the terrace with views across the south lawns and lake for the fireworks display, private bar, indoor toilets, access to and from the premier viewing area. See details below, plus park grounds. Exclusive dinner and fireworks buy tickets. Exclusive dinner and fireworks tickets include glass of fizz on arrival, 2-course dinner in the beautiful Art Deco swimming pool room, access to 2 extra stunning drawing rooms, access to this entire event including premier viewing, access to hard standing area on terrace with views across the south lawns and lake to view the fireworks dinner and fireworks tickets details. Free shuffle buses. A free shuffle bus operated by National Express is set to run to and from locations across Dudley Broad and for event ticket holders. Key pickup locations include Dudley, Stairbridge and Halzone, but stations Kings Winford, Cross, Quarrybank High Street, Sedgley, Bullring, Roseville, Incosley, Wombourne Church, Cradley Railway Station and Waterfront East Car Park at Maryhill. Details for buses on frequent Ask Questions section. Click the link at the top of this page. Park and ride. A limited park and ride services available Coles car boot sale field, which is located between Sandy Care Farm Shop and Wagon and Horses Pub on the B41676 Himley Bypass. 3 shuttle buses will run from the location every 12 minutes, and people can search for the sat-nav postcode WV50LU. The parking costs £8 per vehicle, which must be paid on the day by cash or card. Spaces cannot be pre-booked and are on the first come first served basis. Details on and that, so you just click on the link again. Car parking. Limited car parking on site at Himley or in advance online, £10 plus booking fee. Details and that. So, and that's it really. So yeah, that's another firework display. So that's another firework display for thingy and that. So yeah, that so we've got another thingy for that and that. So yeah, now we're talking about Christmas movies, right? Hang on. That's what I'm going to say. Sorry about this, people. Yeah, now we're talking about Christmas movies because, as you notice, we've been talking about Christmas, ain't we? Like and that. So, now Christmas movies is back on TV. Christmas is back. Great Christmas, as you notice. Free-to-air movie channel Great Christmas is to launch earlier than ever this year with back-to-back seasonal feel-good movies from early September. Now, as you notice, if you've been looking on Freeview, Sky, Virgin and different stuff like that, you will see it on there. Great Christmas is launching on Thursday the 7th of September. Now that launched on Thursday the 7th of September, which was on Thursday. So it was early this year, so it's been early. 100 days before Christmas and 1 day earlier than last year. More viewers will be able to watch than last year, thanks to recent technical changes on Freeview. Great Christmas will replace Great Romance during the morning of Thursday 7th of September, taking over its slot on Sky, Freesat, Freeview and Virgin Media. At 8 a.m, the channel starts with the festive film North Pole from 2014 and continues for almost 4 months with back-to-back seasonal movies. Last year, Great Christmas launched on the 8th of September, which in turn was 2 weeks earlier than in 2021. But some Freeview viewers missed out as it was on a multiplex with limited UK coverage earlier this year. The channel's owner, narrated entertainment school and national Freeview slot for the service, meaning over 90% of UK householders are now within range of the Freeview signal. Eventually, the channel is available on satellite and cable. Viewers will find the channels on Freeview 52, Freesat channel 303, Sky Satellite channel 319, Sky Glass Stream channel 317, and Virgin Media 424, so 422. Oops, daisy. The channel will run until early January. Other seasonal channels are expected to be begin launching during the course of September and October. Last year, Trisex Christmas became the first Christmas channel to launch on the 1st of September with nothing but festive hits. However, since then, Transmusic has reduced its channel profile in the UK and Ireland. So, as you notice, that came on Thursday for the Christmas channels. As you notice, that came on early on Thursday for the Christmas movies. With Christmas movies, like I've just said, they're going to announce the Christmas movies during later on in October. Sometime in October, because that's when Christmas starts, because you've only got about 2 months left. You've only got 3 months left now until Christmas. So you've got October, November, and then December. So you've got 2 months left until Christmas, because you've got October and November. So, and then when we get to November, October, next month we'll be talking about Christmas lights switch on. So we'll be talking about that Christmas light switch on, a bit more about that close to the time. November, we might talk about it in November or October, I don't know, because I'm still waiting for Sandwell Council to put on their website about Christmas light switch on. So I'm still waiting for that to come on. And that, so you know what I mean? Yeah, so yeah, that's what I mean, ain't it? I'm still waiting for that to come on. Like I said, I will be talking about EA Sports FC 24 on the 24th of September, so we'll talk a bit more about that. So yeah, that's all for now anyway. And I hope to speak to you next week about something different. We'll talk a bit more about it and that. So yeah, alright. So alright, thanks for watching anyway. Alright, bye.